Hi guys, magsasalata tayo ngayon. Ito nga pala yung una kong salata. This is corn, and then cucumber, and cabbage. The cabbage is the purple one, and then the lettuce is the green one. The yellow is corn, the green one is cucumber. You see, it's very nice color. It's very nice color. And then we add beetroot. This is beetroot. You see, this is very nice color. The yellow one is corn, the green one is cucumber and lettuce, and the purple one is cabbage. And the red one is beetroot. So this is our salata for today. So of course we add ayun na siya. Kompleto na siya. Tapos i-add ko lang itong sumac for salata yan for salata. And little salt. This is little salt. And this one is konti lang. Okay. Depende po yan sa gumagawa. Kung sa gusto ng kakain. Yung nilagay ko po na itim ay ano po yun, pomegranate. Tapos lalagyan ko pa siya ng konting olive oil. Yan. Olive oil yan. Tsaka lemon. Okay. Tapos lemon. And it's done. Ready to eat niya.